the government's conscience. Privacy is a very important right. I do not need to emphasize the sacredness, the very vital aspect of a free society and ordered government. Without privacy, there is no life for a citizen. It's only connection with the government. It's only you live like a cog in the wheel. And therefore, there can be no belittling of the right of privacy. Others have already referred to the experiments in the United States and England. As you know, in England, the government underestimated the cost. I'm talking of cost because, as Mr. Matthew emphasized, nobody knows what is going to be the cost. Some say it is a whopping 67,000 crores. Some say it is 1.5 lakh crores. These are not figures. And they say this food security bill will require about 67,000 crores, which is therefore much cheaper to give people directly the food rather than this legislation by which they will get a number and then go to the PDS and get some rice if it is in stock or not in stock. We don't know. Therefore, it makes life, even for those it is intended, not easy but much more difficult. To produce proof of a 16-digit number just for the purchase of 1 kilo of rice, which you may or you may not get, I think poses an intolerable burden on the very group of people for whom this beneficial scheme is intended. And this kind of a situation can be multiplied in 100 ways. You go to the bank, you want an open account, they say no, you don't have, so you can't open. If the food is not given, some machine somewhere else should say yes. If it says yes, you will get the food. If it says no, then the whole thing of questioning, correcting, finding out why it went wrong, all that has to begin. Meanwhile, what is to happen? These are hazards which have not been thought of and provided for against such contingency. Similarly, somebody has already mentioned it, so much data stored in one area, one center, one building or one set of machines would be dangerous to the security of this country. You are aware that the Indian Air Force does not put all its planes in one place. It has innumerable places where it is spread. Similarly, the armaments stored are not in one place, they are in several places. The idea is ultimate protection. If you put everything in one place and that is bombed, then the country's security becomes a thing of the past. Therefore, to put all these eggs in one basket, as somebody said, is dangerous. There must be some method by which so much, why do you require the data of a villager, all his birth, financial transaction, everything, just for opening a bank account and getting something. But you must know the important circumstance. While they started by saying this is all to make the life of the poor easier, the authority has disowned any responsibility for implementing these benefits, ensuring that these benefits reach the poor. They say our duty is only to give a number. It's for the government and the other agencies, the states, to ensure that this reaches the poor. I find it very hard to say that a card can act as a tool to confer these benefits upon the poor. It must be recognized it's very difficult to help the poor in a country like this because all the benefits intended for the poor do not reach them, because there is in the transfer of the material and the food grain, the other thing to the poor, it is all taken away by other intermediaries. They prepare false accounts and say this has been distributed. And therefore, this is a situation where this kind of a scheme will not work unless there is an attitudinal change on the part of the people, particularly in the people administering these services, administering this method of conveying benefit to the people. Unless that attitudinal change, which means corruption must be reduced, they must act fairly and honestly in their relation with the poor people. Only then can the system work. But then the cost is enormous. I think economists are in a better position to appreciate whether for achieving the limited benefit which they say, so much of cost is justified, and whether continually maintaining these things